Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the head unit. Remove the center dash trim using a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, then unbolt the radio with the appropriate socket and pull it forward slowly. Once exposed, disconnect the antenna and the main wiring harness. Label each connector so you can restore them exactly. Do this now, because seeing the back of the unit tells you whether a loose plug, corroded pin, or aftermarket adapter is the likely cause. Once you have the radio out, inspect connectors and pins closely. You're looking for bent pins, corrosion, or a mismatched adapter that interrupts touchscreen power or ground. Next, verify the correct audio/navigation fuse in the fuse box and replace with a same amp spare if blown. A fuse can kill the touchscreen while other systems run. If fuses are good, perform a soft reset. Use the unit reset button or disconnect the negative battery cable for about 10 minutes, then reconnect to clear software glitches. Reinstall carefully. Reconnect every labeled harness and confirm the ground strap is tight. Poor grounding causes intermittent touchscreen response. Seat the unit fully, torque the screws snugly, and reinstall the trim. Reconnect the battery last, then power up and test the touchscreen, audio, and navigation functions in sequence. If the screen still lags or is unresponsive, perform one more factory reset and recheck connections. Troubleshooting tip. If software resets fail, a failing digitizer or main board replacement is likely. Swap with a known good unit to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.